In this video, I'm going to show you and give you a $15,000 per day marketing system so that you can simply copy and paste it into your own life and your own business. Sounds good? Let's dive into it. All right, we're inside of my computer. Let's go. Here's what I'm going to cover in this video today. First of all, the strategy that Kern used to make over $1.6 million in just 16 weeks. Then we're going to talk about the system and my gift to you. And then finally, at the end, we're going to launch everything and I'm going to show you all of the next steps. All right, and a pro tip, watch this video in double speed to save yourself some time. Now, let's begin with the strategy, right? This is what Kern used to make over $1.6 million in 16 weeks. It's insane. I've broken everything down for you. I've rebuilt everything for you so that you can copy and paste it into your own life and your own business, right? I hope you're excited because this is pure gold, literally. All right, the strategy. VSL. VSL stands for a video sales ladder, and we create a funnel generating leads, opt-ins, and booked calls for your business. So most likely you run let's say a social media marketing agency, or you have a coach or consulting business, or you're selling courses or whatever it might be, or maybe you're having any other type of business. This will apply to all of you guys essentially, but mainly for the people who generate sales calls, all right? And if not, you're still going to learn a ton from this video. Inbound. Using a VSL funnel for your coach or consulting business is a great idea. Whether you use paid traffic or not, having a video to give prospects when doing organic outreach is a lot better, if you ask me, than not having it, right? So even if you're doing cold email, cold calling, or cold DMs, having a funnel is great. Obviously, you want it when you run paid ads because you can track everything and scale it and know exactly what your numbers are. But you should have a funnel like this when you do your organic stuff as well. And again, in this video, I'm going to give you a proven funnel that is working like a charm so that you can copy and paste it into your own life. Alex Hormozi talks about this, right, in his new book, $100 Million Leads. He talks about having a free lead magnet that's better than what people are used to paying money for, right? For example, the free SMMA course that I have, it's something that people are used to pay a lot of money for. Very thorough courses, actually getting real results for people. I'm giving away completely for free. Why? Because it's the old lead magnet that I can have for my own channel and my own business and so on and so forth, right? So keep this in mind when you create your VSL, and I've done a lot of the heavy lifting for you already. I'm going to show exactly how you can make this stand out for your own business, and it's going to be very simple and very, very quick for you so that you can copy paste it into your own life. Start thinking about this, right? What can you give to your prospects that no one else is giving? And another example of this is Gio Joachim, my personal health and performance coach. He read $100 Million Leads by Alex Hormozi. He started to implement this into his business, basically offering his services for free for X amount of weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. And now his calendar is completely full and he has a backlog of people wanting to work with him. It's insane. So it truly works. Now, application. Again, use a VSL funnel even though you're not using paid traffic as of now. For example, implement the strategy into your cold calling script or your referral program. Having a thought out introduction / sales funnel for your agency is a must. If you do paid traffic, definitely a must. But even if you do cold calling or organic strategies, you should have a funnel like this. Because think about it. When you cold call people, right, that I know that a lot of people do essentially, is that asking for quite a lot. You're cold calling them, interrupting them their day, and you want to book a sales call with them. However, if you call them and you have something to offer them of high value that you can give to them completely for free, and you can simply send them a link after the call so that they can check it out, now the barrier of entry is a lot lower and it's a lot easier to get more yeses, right? And then the funnel will then guide them to, first of all, educate them what it is that you do, but also guide them to book in a call. And you can also apply retargeting onto this, right? So you're basically using cold calling to generate traffic. Having a funnel will also allow you to track visitors and then retarget them. So let's say you could cold call 100 prospects every single day. Let's say only 20% of them are interested in your no-brainer offer, and you want to incorporate your Alex Hormozi lead magnet into this, obviously, and then give them the link to your VSL funnel with a text message after the call, for example, and then you can retarget them forever. This is basically how you can use cold calling to generate traffic for your website and then use a very simple and very cheap retargeting campaign, like spending $5 per day to just be in front of those people all of the time. And if this sounds confusing to you and very strange, don't worry. I'm going to show you at the end of this video exactly where you can learn this step by step and incorporate it into your own life and into your own business very easily. Now, let's cover the strategy, right? So when you build a VSL funnel, you want to have an opt-in page, and we want to use a very simplistic design for opt-in page. I see a lot of you guys using a lot of text, a lot of things. It's a long scroll, and I'm sure those work. But when you just want an opt-in page for your agency or for coach or consulting business, we've tested everything, and we always come back to a very simplistic design. It doesn't matter if it's for my agency or it's for our clients, local business owners, we always go back to having a very simplistic design, and that is what Frank Kern used when he made over $1.6 million in 16 weeks as well. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in just a second, right? Now, let's talk about the VSL. So your offering structure of the VSL becomes very crucial, right? When you do this video, the video is the provider of value in your entire funnel. So it's crucial that you make this video the correct way. Again, I'm going to show you exactly at the end of this video or later in this video, show you step by step how to do it. Use a simple text and email automation to follow up with your opt-ins as well, right? You want to have some automations. When people go through your funnel, the opt-in, you want to have automated text and email automations to follow up with them to make sure that they book a call and make sure that they actually check out your VSL and so on and so forth. Again, I'm going to give you all of this completely for free in this video as well. Survey and booking. You want to pre-qualify all leads before you let them to book a call, obviously. Going to show you exactly how to do that as well. Important to be clear about what the expectations are in your VSL as well. Who do you work with? Who do you don't work with? How much does it cost to work with you? How does it work working with you? All of these things, you want to make sure that you set the expectations right, because you want to attract the right people and not the wrong people, essentially, right? And then at the end, you want to have a simple confirmation page. You want to have a simple page confirming to the visitor that they've been booked, essentially. And then you want to incorporate some type of automated, Google Calendar invites, or have some Zoom links automated sent to them as well. Or if you use Google Meet, you can use that as well. Now, let's dive into exactly how Frank Kern made over $1.6 million in 16 weeks and the exact funnel that he used. And then I'm going to give you this funnel as well, or a slight variation of it. Here is the actual landing page, right? A very simplistic, a very minimal landing page. And you can see here, they have a great offer. They have something new and unique. They have massive curiosity, and they have a lot of opportunity on this page as well. And as you can see, the copy reads, free on-demand class reveals how to create and sell excellent online courses with AI. Use AI to create online courses that actually help people, and then use AI to sell to them. Let me in, right? Then once they click let me in, a simple opt-in page pops up. They ask for their name, email, and phone number. Then simple pop-up lead form, right? And then we have a very simplistic headline on the actual VSL funnel page. We take them from the opt-in form to video page. We have a logo. We have a headline, we have the video, right? And then at the end, Frank Kern took them to basically a long form copy page or block copy page that I'm gonna incorporate for our VSL funnel as well here in just a sec. But they obviously sell the course and they get charged right away. We're not gonna have that, because if you're on a coach or consulting business or an SMMA, we most likely wanna have a calendar here, right? So now let's dive into the actual system. And if you wanna copy paste this funnel into your own GoHighLevel account, you can go to maxpearson.com/frank-funnel. If you don't have GoHighLevel, if you have no idea what GoHighLevel is, again, just go through this video right now, watch everything, because at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can learn all of this step by step. But if you click here, you will be able to get this exact funnel. And once you get it into your account, you will have 3 different funnel steps. So lander, VSL, and then a success page. So let's just go through them, right? I've made it dark. And as you can see here, this is just a slight variation that we've been testing for our own agency. Free training reveals how to generate $15 residential solar leads with YouTube ads. Escape the competition on Facebook and Google. Dominate your market with YouTube ads. So obviously this is an ad for our agency when we're targeting residential solo contractors in the US. However, you can tweak this to whatever you want to, right? If you have any other type of business or whatever market you have, you can tweak this slightly. When you click show me how to do this, a simple pop-up shows up. Enter your information to access the free training. We have name, email, phone number, and then just to verify that they're okay to leave their information. Then we basically take them to the video page. And on this video page, this is where something very interesting happens. Obviously, we have the logo, we have the headline, we have the same headline as on the lander, how to generate $15 residential solar leads with YouTube ads. Then we have the actual placeholder here for the actual video, and the disclaimer, I just added YouTube ads here to add something unique. In our agency, we do meta ads, Facebook ads, but I wanted to highlight that you need to have something new and unique, and now YouTube ads is the way to go if you ask me. Then here's where you actually place the VSL video or the video sales letter, and at the end of this video, again, I'm going to show you exactly how you should structure this video. Then underneath the video, we have something called block copy, and this is something that makes this page perform like nothing else. This is what Frank Kern is using a lot as well if you break down his funnels. And basically what block copy is that you have different blocks of copy, right? It's pretty self-explanatory. But what this helps the visitor with is just very simply, a lot of people will watch the video, but some people will not watch your VSL video. And for them, it's very nice to be able to just scroll through and understand what it is that you guys do, who you help, what you offer, and how it works. So we have, for example, a question, what it is. And we talk about we're a YouTube ad experts in the residential solar industry in the US. Here we generate leads for under $20 and appointments for under $80. We've been in the game since 2017. We've been able to work with some of the top 100 biggest roofing contractors or solar contractors in the US. We win when you win. A complete done-for-you custom-made marketing solution. We talk about that. Exclusive clientele for personalized attention. We tell them that we basically work with fewer clients to be able to give them as good results as possible. What it will do for you: generate exclusive leads. It will give you a lever you can pull to generate clients on demand. Also escape the competition and unreliability of meta search ads and offline. Obviously here you want to tweak this to your market, to your offer, and to your solution so that you have something new and unique that they haven't tested before. We want to sell them the opportunity, right? How it works: well, you book a call. If we decide working together, we'll onboard you and then have your campaigns launched within a week. Also, you'll get leads and booked appointments coming in from day one. That's a promise you can hold us accountable to. Number 4, our service-based guarantee will make sure that you get a substantial ROI on your investment, right? And then availability. We're a small team of media buyers specializing in lead and deal generation for residential solar contractors. We only serve 25 clients, and as of right now, we're looking for 3 more clients, right? This is what I talk about in my free course as well, that you should have some scarcity and some urgency in there. And then investment, we talk about that as well. So now you have the headline, you have the video. You should not make the video too long. And then at the end, you can either have a button to your booking page, or you can just place the actual booking page directly here on the page. So then they can go here, select a day, select a time, and then you can pre-qualify every single lead or every single prospect that want to book a call with your agency. So you can ask for their name, email, phone number, business name, website, current yearly revenue, how much they want to make, and then briefly describe your business, what do you sell, current advertising and sales process, right? And once they've done that, once they fill that out, obviously you can customize those questions to whatever you want to. We take them to the thank you page where we just say you're booked, and here's where I recommend that you do a short personalized video as well, where you basically thank them for booking a call. You let them know what's going to happen next, and then we have some simple block copy here underneath the video as well. Here's what's going to happen next. We do this, we will review our application, and then we'll basically start preparing our custom presentation and solution for you that we're going to present you on the call. Then we've also sent you an email confirming the date and time of our call. Please mark this into your calendar. We will conduct the call over Zoom. We ask you to show up on time in a room where you will not be disturbed for 45 to 60 minutes. We promise to do the same. And then we can also say something like, we look forward to meeting you, and promise that we will deliver massive value for free on our call. So we hope to talk soon, right? You basically just want to make sure here again that you understand what they're going to get, provide or promise massive value so that they do want to show up on the call. And then obviously on the call, you want to have this custom-made presentation or the pitch deck that I'm going to give you and show you exactly where you can get that at the end of this video as well. Then you can have some Q&A sessions here, right? Or FAQs rather, right? Do you have any referrals? If you have any rebuttals that you want them to be aware of, or some rebuttals that you want to tell them before the actual call, you can use them here. Like, do you have any referrals? Normally we say like, no, we used to give out phone numbers, but we don't do that anymore because a lot of people started calling. That's why we have video testimonials here below on the page. And why should we work with you? We only focus on YouTube ads for the residential solar industry, and we've been doing so since 2017. If the only thing you care about is results, then you should give us a try. We've helped multiple 7-figure contractors scale to multiple 8 figures. Our system works not because we have the secret sauce, but simply because we mastered fundamentals better than anyone else, right? We're always on the ball and one step ahead in everything we do. Speed is perfection and result trumps everything, all right? And then you can have your video testimonials here. So it's a very, very simplistic funnel, but it's a very, very powerful funnel. So that's it. Again, if you want help with all of the automations, all of the calendars, all of the systems, if you need a high-level account, all of that, I'm going to show you how you build the actual presentations, the pitch decks, all of that right now. So now the only thing that remains is for you to just take action on this, implement this, and start to launch it. For all settings, automations, trainings, A/B tests, step-by-step instructions, high level on creating those types of funnels, all the calendars, all of that, you can go to my 100% free SMMA course, and you will find the link below this video. We have tens of thousands of students in there right now. We have over 800 5-star Trustpilot reviews, hundreds, if not thousands of success stories, people starting to close their first clients worth thousands of dollars per month. Even have students in there right now who went from zero to over $100,000 per month in less than a year, which is insane. And we have a lot more people who have gone to $20,000 per month and $50,000 per month, etc. Also, what you should check out is our premium solution, where we have even more training, where you can get more help and more support, and we teach you more stuff than just SMMA. It's a suite for everything that you need to become an online entrepreneur, and we have a low monthly fee for that. It's not mandatory to join that at all. You can start with the free SMMA course, but if you need more help, more support, if you want to get there faster and quicker, you can check out Max Premium. So definitely go and check that out, and I'll see you there. Let's go.